All right, what is going on, everybody? Well, we've got another Why Not Whatnot show. It's actually kind of hard not to open some of these, but I figured, you know what, PSA should be coming in this week, so keep an eye out for that. They got moved to assembly Thursday, and man, I can't wait. Get a video for you guys. Keep talking about it. Need it to come. So, for now, we're gonna do a Why Not Whatnot. So I've got a couple people on Whatnot that I've been following here. Getting some pretty good stuff. So first one, Bets MI, Nick's Collectibles 13, Bada Boom Breaks, and DJ Collectibles TCG. I think that's more like Pokemon and things like that. But I wrote them down here. I got a couple packages from them. Real cool guys. Um, Fun to hang out with. So go check them out on Whatnot if you are on that platform. I am not sure which ones are which. Forgot what I got on some of these. This one was 2 cards. Got the Penix Rockout. I remember this one. Sweet card. And we got a Freshman Flyers. Limited print to 75. Steven Zimmerman. 2016-17 patch. All right. We've got next a little tape on the inside. Nice. This one is Nick's Collectibles. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got a Brett Favre Topps Chrome. Not bad. Press Proof Barkley. Carson Wentz on the die cut from 2021 concourse level. It's like the blue prism building blocks, I think. Mason Smith, rookie, limited print there to 275 on the prism. Oh, limited print to 75, yeah. Gold. 250 Panini points. Collecting those things. Like they're going out of style. Not much up there, though. And then Kyle Duggar on the pink. This one was also from Nick's Collectibles. Does do a great job packaging these. Tape on the inside. Oh, they don't shift. All right, here we go. Color breaks. Trash. All right. Mosaics. Young Ho Koo. Ferguson. Joey Bosa on the blue prism. I think it's blue reactive. Khalil Mack, silver. Penix Jr., notoriety. And Dak Prescott, blue reactive. There we go. This one, I did cut all these open. Sorry, guys. I cut them all open just so we can get this video moving along. There we go. This was another break I got into. I think this was Bada Boom. Come on. right. This one, Malik Neighbors, Illusions. And one of the better ones, Penix Green, Illusions. That's going to go on the PC for now, I think. All right. Super well packaged here. Let's get some of these out of here. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. A couple loose ones here. Jamal Anderson, Orange Laser. Got a Darius Slayton, Illusions. Daniel Jones, Illusion. Kirk Cousins, Illusions. Jesse Armstead, Orange Laser. Leggett, Rookie. Prismatic, not a prism. Green, Bijan Robinson. Michael Penix on the rated rookie throwback. Minshew, Max Crosby, McClellan, rated rookie. Isaiah Davis, rated rookie. Braylon Allen, rated rookie. CJ Stroud and Brock Bowers, rookie. Illusions. Oh, made a couple stragglers here. A couple more Illusions. Rookie Leggett, Adam Thielen, and Bryce Young. As you can tell, I had the Panthers, the Raiders. Falcons, Jets, Giants. All right, here we go. These should be ones I've been waiting for a while. These are DJ Collectibles. TCG. These should all be baseball. We got a Henry Davis rookie on that one. It is a silver. We got a Spencer Strider rated rookie. We got a Rushman Rookie of the Year favorites, silver. We got a rookie here, Junior Caminero, Bowman. Jason Dominguez, Mosaic, Prism. Limited print to 75. Jonathan India, this is the Ice, Bowman. Got another Rushman, Bowman's Best rookie, silver on that one. Ethan Salas, silver Bowman. Let's get to these first. Rushman Future Stars, Topps Chrome. Another Junior. Another Rushman. This is the Mojo. James Outman. It's a cool card. Not print, limited print, but it's the black and white. I don't know. I thought it was a cool card, so why not? I think that's actually called a negative, if I'm not mistaken. Put it in the comments if I'm wrong. We got a Henry Davis, Colton Cowser, Mojo, Dylan Cruz, Mojo, Rushman, Mojo, Henry Davis rookie, Mojo, and another Pete Crow Armstrong, Mojo. I had one of these and sold it. So those are my baseball ones. Now that baseball season's kicking off. And I've got one more here. Let's see. Of course I did not cut got? This was a football break from Bada Boom. I think these are just the commons in here. Everything sleeved up too. Mark Andrews Silver. Zay Flowers Orange Laser. Humphrey Orange Laser. Isaac Rookie. Mark Andrews Base. Hunter Orange Laser. Jonathan Brooks Rookie. And Joe Horn Orange. I think these are just the rookies. Lester Schultz, Frank Gore, just some commons. Johnson, Herbert, DJ Moore, Geno Smith, Lawrence, Cook, Samuel, Gardeck, Jacobs, Butker, and Rice. We'll put some lots together and get those shipped out. Give them to some of the kids, maybe for good attendance. Keon Coleman, here we go. Orange Laser. Brock Bowers, Bauer Power. Xavier Worthy. And Pearsall, Orange Laser. And last but not least here, till the next video, we have Fireworks Lat 2. Travis Kelce Prism Break. I think this is the variation one. Yeah, variation. Michael Pratt. And a silver Darius Robinson rookie. So, well, there you go. You guys have it. Another Why Not, What Not. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. You know, I appreciate your guys' support. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification button. I should have that PSA video coming here soon. But until next time, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy everything this week. Weather's been a little crazy here in Chicago. Can't make up its mind. Weather wants to be spring, summer, winter. So we're supposed to get some snow tonight. But as always, I appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. And I will talk to you later. Be good.